Here I have a Roadrace Motorsports mid-chassis brace. It's pretty solid. I don't know if it's any stronger than the factory. It says on the website that it replaces the plastic one, but we don't have plastic ones, so A+, whoever wrote that description. But here's how you take it off. The tools you'll need is just a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm, could be deep or shallow, doesn't really matter, but you're also going to get a 12mm, and that has to be a shallow. This one's located behind your resonator near the rear end of the car, that bar right there. First you're going to remove this plastic right here. And once you remove the plastic, you're going to just have to remove that 10mm right there. Now that 10mm is out, this is where your shallow socket is going to come in handy, because you got to pick this down, and there's two 12mm on both sides of the factory mid-chassis brace. So when you get them out, here's what they look like. And then you just repeat.